Khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ke jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahe do India but shabarni. Na banta ke jingkuli ka jinsio ka bare but pila banle group ban kuli da ka education loan. Pila ruban chuko lahu number khandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani khandai pran riu license, arn riu khandai pra. Uba Synshar kupar Roy Lingdok thaba ubala syajiat kum MLA berthamai jong soyong Constituency ulaong bahas soyong kino ki kertong ki bayakon ya election ki deban thiet ki patba da ka jing age om da ka bor pisa ha ka jing kran migila pathai ku bor ha ka khatlai tri uchmang araja fulai hadin balapan banaya u kum unong job da ka returning officer jong soyong Constituency uba Synshar ulaong ba kum unong mikmat Walaupun kubor daki patba, keren hapok ka ying dor bar thawan ya kimat bat kijing dawa jiki patba nong snong jong ka jela, kum ka inline permit ka reservation policy bat kum ju ru ya kamat ka bagi patba ki persyak jor pan pentrikam ya ka uniform civil code.
Declaration of results of election under section 66 of the Representation of the People Act 1951. Election to the Legislative Assembly of Meghalaya adjourned AC from 23 Soyong ST Assembly Constituency in pursuance of the provisions contained in Section 66 of the Representation of the People Act 1951, read with Rule 64 of the Conduct of Election Rules 1961, I declare that Synshar Kupar Roy Lingdok Mount Village, Soyong, East Castles District, Meghalaya, sponsored by United Democratic Party, has been duly elected to fill the seat of that house from the above constituency.
Siapa kadang rekam kentang, nang ni sekamar dong IT behoklet reknar da sumar nyalam nanti yang aman pet ya ka constituency Broadway kumjuru ya ka stiri. I think it is the love and faith of the people bala lai ba kacamangan let pajba hi kilawan hi daga mensim daga jongjingit ka neru ka diga strong message ba Hapoh soyong wajuan daga buat pisah thiet yu pajba daga jingit ngati ngalong ba I just don't want to be a legislator. I want to be a lawmaker who's going to speak in the assembly. So kini other subjects like ILP, the roster recruitment system, the UCC, which is like a main campaign subject jungi public campaign. Let's see, let's wait. I have no other comments. Then let's wait. Let's see tomorrow onwards. Obviously, tate nama boleh Maheh la tribun kikam kimati jongi kibabun Hapoh soyong Constituency. I am a continuation of his work kumala juangi so ngan le kat bangala man penwandur pen bahabri susu ya soyong Constituency. Yeah, obviously tate it's been a drought the last 5 years. I think from today onwards I think starts a new era soyong Constituency. Obviously sympathy vote kade jingi jong pajba Maheh Caka jongi ngami mangate so pajba kadon sympathy vote. I think I have to start from zero again after everything whatever my uncle has done. So Jinkala starts from tomorrow. Let's see from tomorrow onwards because I am from there. I know a lot about Soyong Constituency. Satar kadehi to upgrade all educational institutions That is my first priority. So makum kuat gibri bikin dan kita ki drop out. Makum juru makum no upgrade the education system for our constituency. That is priority.